Friends from the media, Andarki Namaskaram. It is with utmost pleasure that I welcome you all to Tansen, where the harmony of flavors blends elegance. The name Tansen transports people to the Mughal era during Akbar, when the cultural world and culinary artistry blended perfectly. He was a maestro whose art captured the essence of an era. By invoking his name, we honor his legacy and bring his spirit of creativity and refinement into the heart of our dining experience. Tansen's music, known for its depth and beauty, resonates in the ambience we strive to create. A place where every meal is a melody, every flavor a note, and every moment a lyrical journey. As you are all aware, Tansen is a part of Ori's culinary legacy that dates back to 1976, when it all started as a family-owned business, which later on became a futuristic brand in the hotel industry. Capitalizing on the success of its very first venture, Hotel Basera, the label soon spread its wings across Hyderabad and established its place as a chain to reckon with. Ori's now boasts of a series of top restaurants, hotels, and banquets in Hyderabad with a distinctively unique quality of coming up with something innovative each time. Mr. Amar Ori furthered the establishment's progress and helped it gain the acclamation and accolades it deserves. Over the years, there has been immense growth in terms of business and customer loyalty, enabling the empire to push the envelope further and gain recognition pan-India. He has been instrumental in shaping the future of the Hyderabad food industry with his varied outlets across the city. He is a true visionary as far as the culinary scene in Hyderabad is concerned. I now call upon on the dais Mr. Amar Ori, the owner of the Ori's Group, for his soulful thoughts on Tansen, the emotional attachments to Ori's Group and his viewpoints on the outlook of the culinary industry, and his future visions about both Tansen and Ori's Group. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to welcome Mr. Amar Ori, the owner of Ori's Group, on the dais.
We extend a warm welcome to all of you for joining us today for the launch of Tansen, a culinary destination which blends food and art in the beautiful city of Hyderabad. Our goal at Tansen is simple yet impactful: to combine the rich traditions of Nawabi cuisine with the timeless legacy of art and Indian hospitality. Our journey began with a deep sense of passion to create a destination where every dish tells a story, and to create a destination where you feel like royalty. As we open our doors, we warmly welcome you to indulge in a culinary experience like no other. What sets Tansen apart is not just the delicious food, but the unrelenting focus to make you feel like a true Badshah or Begum. With a stellar talent pool inside the kitchen, the master chefs have spent countless hours to craft the most delicious taste into every dish on the menu. We have chefs from Delhi, Lucknow, Dubai, and Hyderabad who have assembled to win your hearts with brilliant artistic flavors. From succulent kebabs to fragrant biryanis, each dish is a masterpiece crafted with love and perfection. To enhance the dining experience to the maximum, the interiors have been carefully designed to transport you to a royal Mughal darbar. With a majestic water body that envelops you and a 25 feet high ceiling, which is very grand, the space transports you to a beautiful setting, perfect to enjoy the most memorable meal. The celebration of music is felt throughout the restaurant. From the dedicated stage from where I stand, Sufi performances will entertain you every single night. To the tabla wall, to the raga walls, Music is truly something that connects us all. Lastly, one value that we hold very dear to our heart is our belief, Atiti Devo Bhava, the concept that guest is God. Our front of the house team is specially trained to make sure that every guest is felt special and taken great care of. As you know, Ori's has been a renowned name in Hyderabad since 1976, known for its outstanding food and service. We have over 30 outlets and 12 themed restaurants today. Ori's continues to set the standard for culinary excellence in the city. Tansen is set to open in Financial District on 26th of June, that is the next Wednesday. This will be the latest addition to our portfolio, which has popular brands such as Sahib's Barbecue, Caffeine, Cake Nation, Uppu, and others. We have always strived to serve the masses with our delectable offering of food that are available across all our outlets. Looking forward to the future, we want to gradually take a few brands outside Hyderabad, but now we want to grow some of our fastest growing brands like Cake Nation and Caffeine within the city. In closing, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to my team whose dedication has made this dream come to reality, and to all of you who have joined us today with all your love and best wishes. I invite all of you to join us on this beautiful culinary journey called Tansen. Let us savor the magic where food meets art. Thank you so much.
It was very insightful. Now I would like to call upon Chef Anuj on the dais.
Media friends and my Ori and Tansen team. Just the sheer name Tansen transport people to the Mughal era during Akbar, when the culture and the culinary world blended perfectly. So also we start our culinary journey with inspiration from two well-known compositions of Mia Tansen. Tansen composed the Rag Deepak, which when played creates heat and ultimately fire breaks out. We need the fire to prepare exotic Mughal and Nawabi dishes, while the Rag make Malhar gives you the rain when it's played. Here it is signified by the Sanzi posh interior which provides the serenity, and hence it is the right place where the culture and the culinary arts blend aptly. The restaurant takes pride in presenting a culinary experience that combines innovation and tradition. Our menu is thoughtful, created to enhance your taste buds and showcasing harmonious blend of flavor that honor Indian rich culinary heritage. Whether you are savory with the fairy Hyderabadi marak or relish the exquisite kum galauti, every mouthful narrates a tale of time-honored recipe passed down through the generations. Tansen offers more than just a delicious food. It invites you into a refined and inviting atmosphere. Whether you are seeking a romantic night out for a joyous gathering, Tansen guarantees an experience that seamlessly blends tradition and excellence. Our commitment to authenticity shines through in every detail, from the rich decor inspired by the Mughal and Sufi aesthetics to a carefully created music that fills the air. Each element has been thoughtfully designed to transport you bygone era of refinement and grace. As we celebrate the launch of Tansen, we invite you to savor not just a meal, but a culinary journey. Let us indulge your palate and serenade your sense as we pay homage to the Tansen enduring legacy. Thank you for joining for the delicious culinary adventure. Thank you, my media team and my Ori team. Thank you so much.
For your presence here today, and invite you to taste our delicious food that I'm sure you all will remember and keep coming back. We also have a display of the food from our menu, all the signature dishes. So please Enjoy yourselves. Thank you.
Tansen is a setting where it's full of joy and full of experiences. Tansen is a restaurant which is truly magical, and I'm very happy to bring Tansen to the city. In Tansen, we are serving Northwest Frontier food and food from the Royal Kitchens of India, which has taken us months to curate. My team of chefs have come from Dubai, Lucknow, Hyderabad, and they have worked tirelessly to create every dish and every recipe which is pure perfection. And as you step into Tansen, it's a magical setting with water bodies and beautiful double height ceilings, and truly it transports you into a place where you will be left with nothing but great memories. So I look forward to having all of you at Tansen for team outings or family dinners or even any celebration. This is the perfect place to make memories. The food is brilliant. The team is been trained to perfectly take care of each and every of our guests, and I can't wait to welcome all of you. Thank you so much.
Totally, how many group of hotels from the
So Ori's now has 30 plus outlets and almost 15 plus brands in the city now.
So from when it is open, sir? For today?
So from Wednesday, which is 26th of June, we are open for public.
Done, sir. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.